Okay, so to start out, a student performed an experiment with sodium thiosulfate, and for each experiment, they added a different concentration of sodium thiosulfate with hydrochloric acid at a constant temperature. They determined the rate, and the 5 trials are given below. So, for question 2, letter A, identify the independent variable in the experiment. The independent variable is the initial concentration of sodium thiosulfate, because that is what they're changing in the experiment for a response variable. Okay, for letter B, determining the order of the reaction, we will use trial 1 and 2, and by putting the rate as well as the initial concentration over each other,
oh yeah.
using the initial rate from trial 2 over the initial rate of trial 1. And then the initial concentration of 0.075 over the initial concentration from trial 1. And then you get by getting 1.5 for each side, we know that 1.5 has to be raised to a power of 1 in order to get 1.5 on the other side. Therefore, the order is 1 in respect to sodium thiosulfate.
Okay.
For letter C, to determine the value of the rate constant K, all we have to do is solve for K by plugging in the recorded data from trial 1.
So, according to the half reactions, we have aluminum solids give aluminum 3 plus 3 electrons. And we have 2 electrons plus zinc 2 plus gives zinc solid. So as we can see from the half reactions, aluminum solid is going to be a species that's oxidized because it's giving away an electron. Bam!
We're using the data from trial 1.
So, 0.02.
Describe what happens when the sulfide as the cell oxidates. NO3 ions, so forth. Yeah. We'll just put the right
Which gives us our value of constant